Right, our trip to Chatsworth continues, and we've gone out today. We've gone to Bakewell because we've heard it's quite nice, so we're going to have an explore. So what do you get?
I got Edinburgh Rock. I got Hangy Sticks. Green man.
Time for some lunch. Bakewell tart. Hello. It's been a damp morning again, so we're just, after we've done all our bits, we're just going to wander down to the camp shop and see if we can get some bread.
It's nice having a camp shop, isn't it? Don't you think? It makes a difference.
Yeah, some sites don't have it, but it's nice to have one that does. We were filming another video here yesterday, which I think is already live on the channel. And while we were doing it, there's that many ducks everywhere. One of them actually attacked Mrs. Hey-Ho. Bit of toes while she was filming.
Just a little nibble.
Just a little nibble. That was quite exciting. So watch out for ducks. There's a word of warning when you come to
Yeah,
Spain.
they're very
Savage
friendly.
ducks.
Overly friendly.
Nice weather for it. Going for a walk to the playground that's at the end of the entrance lane. All the arrivals are starting to come, so we thought we'd walk it instead of trying to take the car down there. Hello, big boy. You hungry? Don't eat my feet.
Out now.
We're trying to walk our way out through the entranceway to the thing, and it's not even 1 o'clock and all the people are arriving. The Caravan and Motorhome Club people will be turning in the grave.
Yeah, 10 minutes to go still.
Oh.
Should rightly have shut the road off at the end like they did when we arrived.
Right, the plan now is to try and get to the next point before another caravan or motorhome comes along, so we'd have to hide in the bushes. I think we can get there. Oh, I see some more coming ahead. I have to find a little pot, way back here and hide in this little spot. Right, there's a gap. Run for it. There's a car coming. Run. Run to the next bit. Not only are we doing the gauntlet of trying to get out of the campsite when all these people are arriving, but it's now started to pour down on us. Beautiful.
So rugged, aren't we?
We are, look at us. Extreme Caravan Adventures. Don't forget to check out Extreme Motorhome Adventures, very good channel.
Yeah, we love their channel, so much fun. Loving the Italy adventures.
Nothing quite as exciting as what we do here when we're walking down a country lane trying not to get run over, but
Yeah.
there you go.
Even if we do get run over, it's content.
Right, we've almost made it to the end of the single width track you've got to drive in on the campsite, and then the player park you can go to is here on the left. We survived, guys, we did it. So near the playground at the end of the entrance, you've got, looks like some tennis courts and a big football field over there, and obviously next to the play park. Handy for all your recreational needs. Right, we've moved on from the play park. We've gone through the entrance and we've gone to a little cafe that's nearby. So, jam first or cream first? Or is it cream first then jam? Alright, we've had tea and cakes. You're comatose after the amount of sugar. And now we're going to try and head into Baslow and have a little look around there. Looks like a nice church. Nice little walk down to the Riverside. I think it's the River Derwent, from what I know. From what Google Maps tells me anyway. Quite a pretty little village is Baslow. Also quite handy for when you are at the campsite. There's a co-op just up here, quite handy for a local shop.
Buses gone by as well, isn't there?
Yeah, buses that take you around and take you to Chatsworth house and everything.
And I did see that there was a discount on the buses as well.
I thought you were going to say there's a disco on the bus.
It might be a disco, but if you can get a pass and you can access any of the buses, so it might be worth looking at that if you are going to motorhome.
Handy stuff. And there's the co-op there. It's quite close to the campsite. Only a 5-minute drive. Handy for supplies. So we have a good little walk around Baslow. Lovely little village, lots of nice little things, but quite a busy road going through it, isn't it?
Yeah,
Lot of traffic flying about. It's nice to have a little explore in the drizzle. So we finished in Baslow and we're heading off back to the caravan now. And
it stopped raining.
Has it stopped? Yeah, it stopped raining. Perfect timing, as usual. Sun! Warning, tunnel.